Epic VIN Car Check Honest Review. Watch before buying a used car can be risky, and most people get this wrong. They rely solely on visual inspection or the seller's word. Epic VIN is a vehicle history reporting service that promises to reveal a car's past, helping buyers make informed decisions. The surprising truth is that it aggregates multiple databases, including title records, accident reports, and theft records, to give a comprehensive report. You won't believe what hidden issues some cars can have. Here's how it works. You enter a car's VIN, and Epic VIN generates a report detailing ownership history, accident records, mileage inconsistencies, lien information, and more. For example, a car may appear fine, but have a salvage title or prior flood damage. Epic VIN can flag that instantly. Another benefit is peace of mind. Most people assume a clean-looking car means no problems, but hidden histories can lead to costly repairs. Epic VIN helps buyers avoid surprises and negotiate better deals by providing documented information. However, there are considerations. Epic VIN's database is comprehensive, but not perfect. Some local or private incidents may not be recorded. Most people also assume reports are free. Full reports usually require a small fee per VIN. In conclusion, Epic VIN is a valuable tool for anyone buying a used car, providing transparency, confidence, and critical insights that help avoid hidden issues. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of automotive tools and services.